Here's how you can display a recipe on a Google Cast device. First, you'll need to sign up for a free account on RecipeCast.app. You can sign up using a Google account or an email address. Once you sign up and log in, go to the menu and select your Cast device. Once connected, close the menu. Paste the URL to the recipe and select the Preview button. Selecting the RecipeCast button will display it on your Cast device. So now, when you see Step 5 on the web app, you'll see Step 5 in sync on the Cast device as well. When you swipe to view the ingredients on the Cast device, the ingredients section will light up on the web app and same vice versa. You can jump to a step on the web app and see it reflected on your Cast device as well.